In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a privacy policy to your Wix website. Having a privacy policy is not just a legal requirement in many regions. It also helps build trust with your visitors by letting them know how you handle their data. Let's dive right in and get started with the process. First, you need to access your Wix website editor. This is where the magic begins. Open up your Wix account and find the website that you want to edit. Once you're in the editor, you're ready to make some changes. Now, look towards the side of the editor for the option labeled Pages and Menu. Clicking here will show you all the different pages currently on your website. It's the gateway to managing how people navigate your site. Next, you'll want to add a new page specifically for your privacy policy. Simply click on Add Page. This will prompt you to create a new blank page. Choose the Blank Page option. This blank canvas is where you'll design the layout and content for your privacy policy. For organizational purposes, you're going to need to name this new page. Go ahead and type in Privacy Policy as the page name. This will make it clear to your visitors what the page is about and help them easily find this important information. Once you've named your page, click on Done. This action confirms your new page is ready and officially part of your website. Don't worry, you can always come back and edit. With the page created, it's time to add the elements that will contain your privacy policy. Select Add Elements from the editor. This tool allows you to include text, images, and more to your page. Let's start with text. Click on Text, and a variety of text options will appear. Choose a text paragraph that fits best for display of your privacy policy content. Click it, and it will appear on your page. Now it's crucial that you input your actual privacy policy. You can compose directly in the text box, or if you have a prepared document, simply copy and paste it. This is the core content explaining how you handle data, and visitors will refer to it for important information. Since clarity is key, let's make sure our visitors can easily find this page. We recommend adding a heading. Again, head to Add Elements. Once there, opt for a text heading. When you select the heading text, edit it to say Privacy Policy so it stands out. Placing this heading at the top of your page ensures that it's immediately visible to users. After everything is in place, thoroughly review your page for accuracy and clarity. This final touch ensures that your visitors get the right information in the right format. And that's it. You've successfully added a privacy policy to your Wix website. Remember, a well-composed privacy policy not only meets legal requirements, but also builds trust with your audience. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.